Hello, grade 8. How are you? Um, Mr. Newlove is here again. Today I want us to revise. Um, Alright. So the first thing that we are going to do is you are going to click the subscribe. Alright? Yeah. Then the second thing that you are going to do, you listen to me attentively. You take your pen and your scribbler. Take your notebook. Alright? It may not be your the one that you use in school. It can be any notebook. Alright. Okay, so the first one, the question says write 150 as a product of prime factors. Write your final answer in exponential form. So we are supposed to write this as product of prime factors. Okay. So first, let's look for our calculator. You can do this using your mind, but I also want to show you how to use the calculator as well. Okay. Now, first you ask yourself, what number can divide 150 without a remainder? Alright, so you first check 1. How do you do it? It's 150 divided by 1. It's 150. But we don't want to use the biggest number. Alright, you see that 150 divided by 1 is still going to give me 150. I've not done anything. So move to the next number, which is what? 2. Is that okay? So you are going to say, another way to press this is this. So you are going to say 150 divided by 2. It gives us 75. So you write your 2 here and the 75 here. Are we all working together? Good. Now we are here. This is done. We are looking at this one. What number can divide 75 without a remainder? Okay. So how do you do it? How did I do the first one? 75 divided by 1. It gives us 75. I've not done anything to this one. Alright, it's still 75. Let's move on to the second one. 75, I use this one. Any of them you can use it. So 75 divided by 2. It's not working. It's giving us what? Decimal. It means there's a remainder. Is that okay? So we can use 2. Then you move on to the next number. What is that next number? 3. I like using this one. So 75 divided by 3, which is what? 25. So you write the 3 here and the 25 here. Is it fine? Okay. Now you have 25. What are you supposed to do? What number can divide 25 without a remainder? Alright? So to me like, I don't know the number. I'm going to test it. I'm going to investigate. What do I do? 25 divided by 1. It gives me 25. Should I write a 25? No. Because if I write a 25 here, I have not done anything to it. So I can't use 1. Alright? Then you move on to 25 divided by 2. We're using this one, eh? So 25 divided by, I can't use that one. Let me bring it down. Divided by 2. What does it give me? It gives me the same thing. So it's 25 divided by 2. So it means there is a remainder. If I press here, I see decimal. So it means there's what? A remainder. Should I use 2? No. I can't use 2. So which number do I move to? 3. So 25 divided by 3. Whew. Gives me this one. Should I use it? No. I can't use it. It gives, if I press this, it's decimal. So it means there's a remainder, eh? Good. If there's no remainder, this side will be 0, or it will just be 8, 3. There's no remainder. But as soon as we have 8, 3, it means there is a remainder. 8, 5, it means there is a remainder. 2, 6, it means there is a remainder. So anytime you have a comma, it means there is a remainder. Should we take it? Should we take 3? No. Why? Because it has a remainder. It means 3 cannot divide 25. We want a number that can divide 25 without a remainder. So what do? Let's try 4. Okay. 25 divided by 4. Shoo. Gives me this one. Shoo. There is a remainder. Alright? So let me try 25 divided by 5. I'm showing you another thing also on the calculator. So you see, I'm moving the cursor back. I did not delete it. So I'm moving this cursor back divided by 5. So I'm going to change the 4 to 5. So I move the cursor to this side nicely. Then 5. What does it give me? 5. 25 divided by 5. Is that okay? Good. So here, it means 5 can divide 25 without a remainder. So you write a 5 here, this 5. You write it here, then this 5, you write it here. Alright, so now we are here. What number can divide 5 without a remainder? You do the same thing. Let's do it. Oh, I've erased it. Erasing it is wasting time, eh? So you don't erase it. Okay, let's press this again. Then 5, this 5, divided by 1. It gives me the same number. I have not done anything to it. Are we together? So what do? I can't take 1. So I move my cursor back like this. Then I move to where? 2. Hey, it gives me a fraction. I can't take it. A fraction can give me decimal. It means there is a remainder. Ooh. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Should I take the 2? No. I can't take the 2 because there is a remainder. We want a number that can divide 25 without a remainder. Are we moving together? Good. Now, I move to where? Move your cursor back to these 2.